All right, anyhow, I'm going to show you how to test a cord that you don't want to throw out, that an end was cut off, and it is good extension cord. You don't want to throw it away. Got my multimeter out right here. I got it on the continuity, as you can see. Take the one end, I stuck it in the hole, as you can see. Then, as you can see, the three ends are cut off, and you don't know which is which. Of course, I do, but you want to make sure, so you test each one. And, okay, so let's check the green one. And nothing. Check the black one. And nothing. So then you check the white one. Boom, we got continuity right there. So you know right away that this white wire is that there plug end. Okay? Now when you go replace your plug end, you want to remember the white one's going to be that one there. Okay? Now we'll go to this end here and check for continuity on that end. So what we'll do is put this red wire, or this red connector back in this one here. Oop, get it in there. Then take the black end and check again. Now we already know it's not the white one. See? Okay. We know it's not going to be the green one. See, because green is ground. Just teaching you. And you hit the black one. Come on there. Down there? It's on there. Hold on. Got a break in somewhere. No, it's not the green one. Checking that way. Can't get it there. Nope, it's got to be the black one, but there's probably a break. So we'll check in here. There it goes. See, there's a break inside this here, no good connection. So I poke the black wire with this, and you got continuity right away. So that means this end's the black end that you want to connect your plug to, and this end will be the white, and of course that will be your ground. Just a little something, something. And then too, if you want to test your battery,